Rob Testerman with Edwards Performance Solutions, here to continue talking about concepts in scheduling. In this video, I'm going to talk about automation. When I talk about automation with respect to scheduling, there's a number of different paths I could go down. But in this instance, I'm going to talk about Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA, which is Microsoft's event-driven programming language, also known as a macro programming language. Macros are useful, particularly for statusing and maintaining a schedule, to help the scheduler gain efficiencies with repeatable processes like batch updates or report generation. We're going to skip ahead a little bit and talk about a situation where Edwards used VBA and a suite of Microsoft products to produce an automated scheduling solution for one of our large federal clients. Based on new legislation, our client was responsible for changes impacting over 70 IT systems, generating more than 250 formal change requests. There were dozens of POCs across the agency assigned as workstream leads who would need to provide bi-weekly updates. Edwards was brought in to lead the development and maintenance of a series of schedules in our client's tailored Microsoft Project Server environment and report out to various levels of stakeholders. Traditional approaches to status collection, like meeting with these POCs individually or collecting inputs through status sheets, wasn't going to work in this instance. So the solution we proposed was this. Utilize SharePoint task lists as the front-end interface for these leads where they would provide updates to the tasks they own. We would then use Excel as a bridge back and forth between SharePoint and project. To facilitate this process, we developed a VBA-based tool which allowed us to preserve schedule information, export task data to SharePoint, and import updated task data back to the schedule for review and analysis. On import, actual start and finish dates were set, percent completes were updated, and durations were recalculated based on the input the leads provided. The automation of this update process reduced the IMS maintenance time significantly, freeing up time for the scheduler to perform analysis rather than data entry. In addition to the import-export function, the tool was also able to perform comprehensive status reporting. Some of the custom reports we were able to automate included a Visio-based timeline, a milestone plan with stoplight indicators, an IV&V report charting out change request status, and a Delta report highlighting any changes since the prior reporting period. In all, the automated scheduling and dashboard process was enormously successful and allowed the PMO to efficiently manage this large program with minimal resources. Over its life cycle, the process saved thousands of hours of work that would have otherwise been done manually by additional staff. This lessened the burden on the taxpayer and significantly reduced the workload of the client. The success of this solution drove it to be implemented for multiple other programs within the same agency, including another legislative initiative where we tailored some risk reporting functions, and an audit-based program where we used our VBA tool to write narrative-based updates to a PowerPoint dashboard. Beyond this solution, we've used VBA to automate aspects of the Echo framework I discussed in my previous video, as well as assess our schedule quality with health checks and other performance metrics. In this instance, the focus was on Microsoft Project, but you can use VBA on just about any scheduling application. We've used it even to push data back and forth between other scheduling applications based on our clients' needs. So that's all from me for now. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out some of our other content, such as our CMMC Explained segments, to stay ahead of the curve as we start rolling out some new training. Thank you.